All right, my name's Kyler Deason with Coastal Elite Roofing. We're out here at 305 Floyd Street, Hinesville, GA. This is customer Nicholas Bryant. He's a customer of y'all's, our mutual customer. He has massive damage on the inside. Had mold, his ceiling's fallen through where from the hurricane got affected, which you can see all these tarps trying to mitigate it. It's got damage throughout the roof, but for the sake of not having to take the tarp completely off, we're gonna go with, just this one right here. You can see the nail hole in it, just to do a repairability test to see if this roof would be repairable, to get him back to kind quality air condition that he was before the storm. I'm being gentle as I can be here. Things pretty brittle. Let's see if I can set y'all up. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. He's got crazy mat transfer all throughout. That's some of the worst mat transfer I've ever seen. Yeah, there's no way he can do repairs on this. This would never get back sealed back like it's properly supposed to. We'll do the one above just to make sure that wasn't just that shingle that's like that. That's probably some of the worst I've ever seen. Oh yeah, this thing's just mat transfer like crazy. I'll send some pictures of that, but there's no way we could get this back to the condition it was pre-hurricane. That's really bad mat transfer. So honestly, I thought this would be one